Have you ever seen a snowman catch a cold? Well, in this snowy little yard, one snowman is feeling a bit under the weather. Just look at him, standing there so quietly with his carrot nose and coal-black eyes. But wait, something's happening. His nose starts to twitch. It wiggles just a little bit. Oh no, I think he's about to. Chew. Wow, snowflakes just burst everywhere like a magical confetti explosion. This sneeze didn't melt him. It made everything even more enchanting. The kids playing nearby start laughing as the fresh snow gently falls all around them. One of them shouts, "Bless you." The snowman just smiles, his cozy scarf fluttering in the breeze. The sneezing snowman, definitely winter's funniest and most magical friend. Have you ever seen a snowman sneeze? Let me know. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.